You don't know where I am. I know where I'm at. I do this all the time every year. And I'm in a tulip poplar woods where everything's majority tulip poplar. There's some random black cherry. But amongst those are ginkgo trees. And for whatever reason, with the spice bush and the ginkgo trees growing in here, it spores the morels pretty heavily. We're real early for Ohio, and I'm at the most northeastern point of Ohio, and I mean that. I'm on the lake, on the state line. They're here. They're not here in numbers, but soon I can see more, and I'll show you down here by the creek, right on the water. Oh, can you see it? Interesting, huh?